Yes, now we'll continue with the balance sheet, my dear students. So new balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Right here, liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Yes. So to write the liabilities, copy. Creditors 21,000 as it is, right? Creditors 21,000. Next, capitals. Capitals you will write it from the partners capital account. Yaudu partners capital account e amount ideyalla. Yes. This amount you should write. Idu and this. So I'm writing here, see. Amitige 80,000. Chandru is 40,000. Loan is 65,000. Bhima's loan. Now assets. Building is how much? Yes. Inner column it is 1 lakh. Then there is appreciation. That is 20,000. That will give you 1,20,000. Machinery, it is 50,000. Less there is depreciation. Whenever there is depreciation, you have to less it. You will get 40,000. Isn't it? Stock, direct amount, there is no appreciation, there is no depreciation, 18,000. Debtors, yes, 20,000. Less there is PDD. Iga old PDD plus your excess, that is 3,000 after that. 3,000 it was, okay? 17,000. What you have calculate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ amount ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 15 per that amount you have to write 17,000. Yes. Cash at bank, how much was there? 14,000. Inner column I'm writing here 14,000. Then bank alli ee ಎರಡು amount ಇದೆ, but they are in the debit side. They are debited andre you have to minus it. Yes. So 2,000 minus 1,000. If it is this side, you have to add it plus after that. So minus 2,000 minus 1,000 will give you 11,000. Total madidre you have to get 2,06,000. 2,06,000. Only in this problem, remember students, very important thing is, first one thing is I would tell PDD increased by 15%. That is some important transaction I will tell you. What you have done, 15 upon 100 into 20. That is 15% and the ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ 15%, 15 by 100 on debtors you will get 3,000. Iga old PDD is 1,000. Yes, when new PDD is more, you will write in the debit side of revaluation account. I've thought here. Illi debit side. New PDD is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ 500 ಇದ್ರೆ you have to write it here. Second very important is goodwill treatment. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partner. Retiring partner ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀರಿ. Retiring partner's name is near to Bhima's capital. Continuing partner's name will be here. Amount how to calculate? First ratio. Bhima's retiring partner's share of goodwill. Goodwill ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Goodwill is this much. So 72,000 into 1/4. ಈಗ ಈ 18,000 ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಮಿತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಂದ್ರು ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಭೀಮಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಸಿ 2:1 ಈಗ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದೆ 2:1:1. ಭೀಮಾ ರಿಟೈರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 2:1 ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಎಸ್, ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವುದು. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್.